Yeah, I just quickly want to update you on the trade that I copied. I'll show you the one I copied on OctaFX, and I'll show you the one I also copied on FXTM. So from what I found out, I think this risk call is not very reliable because the guy that I copied some time ago, getting close to 2 weeks now, it was his risk score was one. And suddenly, I told you he entered like the second day, the serious drawdown that he entered, but the risk score was still one. I was fine. I was thinking, why will someone that is drawdown is almost like 80%, we still have a risk score of one? But he came out, managed to come out. I was not comfortable with his trading anyway, but I only wanted to test it. So I left the money there. Later, I found out that I think he was adding to his equity. His risk jumped to six. So when the risk was six, I was looking at the money. I think I was having like minus $17, minus $18. But I was just looking at it like, okay, let's see. Maybe the way it came out of the first drawdown, it will also be able to come out of this one. Then later, I just discover was it on Friday? On Friday, I was stopped out. Then why was I stopped out? I told you anytime you need to monitor the equity of the trader you are copying. So if you discover that your equity is so small compared to the trader you are copying, there is a likelihood that you will be stopped out and the guy will still be in the trade. So when I look at my own money was around $28. Oh no, it grew to like $33, but his own money was around maybe like 80 something dollars. But I didn't want to add to my equity. You can either add to your equity or you just stop copying him. What I've discovered or what I would do if I have to copy a trader and I find myself in that kind of situation, just stop copying. Don't even say you are adding to the equity. Immediately you just see that the risk has jumped to six and is showing red. Just stop copying. Let me show you the guy now. Okay, I also copied this guy, Wazir FX. But this Waziri FX, I think the way it's trading, I'm okay with it. It doesn't enter too many trades. At times you will see his board is always clear. So if you can return like between 20% monthly, 20-30% monthly, is okay. So if you can leave it to compound or you can multiply your copying rate. Let's say you can copy times two, you can copy times three and so on. Let me show you the guy. Where is it? Okay, most popular. So under most popular, you can see trustable master. His risk has jumped to six. Anytime you just see that the risk has jumped to six, just stop it. Stop copying. Take your loss and look for another thing instead of wiping out your account. You see, his risk score is six. $88. That's his equity now. Floating is minus 19 now. Floating. His balance is this. Okay. Let's see what and what. See, deposit. The guy is adding to his equity. He deposited again. So I am not too comfortable with this kind of trader that you continue to add money. See, another place he deposited $25. Here he deposited $50. You will just continue to struggle. Forget about it. I'm not too comfortable with this trading idea. It keeps averaging. This trade was a loss, minus $10. You have added another one, is minus. So it keeps averaging. Any trader that is averaging like that, in the long run, he will lose money. Except you are trading with a robot that will not miss opportunity. That almost every opportunity in the market is going to take. That's the only way you can manage to come out of this kind of mess. I've been in it before. It doesn't end anywhere. You will just lose your account. So anytime you just see that the risk has jumped to six, just Stop copying, look for another trader. You can see is the people copying him before, I think it was around 900 and something. It has reduced. So that is that. Let me go to the rating again and show you the second guy. This second guy that I'm copying is it. His risk is still one. See his equity, $28. So if my equity is $25 and his own is like $28, they are close. I can manage to copy it. I can copy it. And if I can see $20, let me see my own account under him. This rating area, copier area. You see, this is the loss that the guy gave me. My equity now is $27 because I lost copying the first guy. So let's see his trade master's performance. How many trade is he copying? Okay, you can see he entered this one, he came out with small profit. This one with small profit. Open orders, nothing. So I'm okay with this guy. So I will leave this one. I'll stop the other trader. Okay, let me show you the guy that I copied in uh, in FXTM. This skill safe scalping. So under safe scalping, today is just minus 0.01 dollar. So that's my still my protection level. This is what has it made for me in 1 week? $5. But in 1 month because I just started copying him anyway. So on this day he made $4. Yesterday he made $1.27. Today we are still running. So we are like minus 0.01. Then what again do I need to? Okay, let's check his trading history. See, for instance, my balance is now $229. Floating profit and loss. There is nothing. There is nothing floating. So it doesn't have any open trade. So I like traders like that they are not too aggressive. It's not every time you just see that they are trading minus, minus, minus. They are not managing to come out of the loss. See the trade history. These are the trades that he has entered for me on this strategy. So that's the guy that I'm copying anyway. So if you want to follow me, you can also copy this guy. The guy that I'm recommending in OctaFX is this Wazir FX, and the one that I'm recommending in FXTM is this guy. He's okay, so you can follow him. Let's still wait and see. Maybe by next week we still analyze and check their performance. We now match it with their past performance. So I'll see you again in the next video.